Hello friends, I hope you will be fine. Today I made an amazing video about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z series is famous due to its unbelievable battery timing, performance, and its big display. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, which is launched on August 11th, 2023. In this video we will talk about specification and features of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 in detail. Let's start this video. It supports 5G network with nano SIM and eSIM. Dimensions: unfolded 165.1 x 71.9 x 6.9 mm, folded 85.1 x 71.9 x 15.1 mm, weight 187 g, waterproof, IPX8, display, foldable dynamic, AMOLED 2X, refresh rate 120 Hz, screen size 6.7 inches, resolution 1080 x 2640 pixels, PPi Density 426, operating system Android 13, One UI 5, 1.1 OS chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, GPU Adreno 740, RAM and ROM 256 GB 8 GB RAM, 512 GB 8 GB RAM, back camera 12 MP wide and 12 MP ultrawide lens, selfie camera 10 MP, Wi-Fi, yes, Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP LE, USB Type-C 2.0 OTG, sensors, fingerprint, side-mounted. Samsung Pay, Visa, MasterCard certified is available. Battery type, LiPo, non-removable. Battery capacity, 3700 mAh. It also support 25W wired fast charging and it have 15W wireless charger. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is available in mint, graphite, cream, lavender, grey, blue, green and yellow color options. The price of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 in America is $999. Price in Europe is €11.99 and price in London is £10.49. So friends, if you like any feature like large display, amazing processor, wonderful camera result of this mobile, then tell us in the comment section and don't forget to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck for the next time.